wearing the topper much further forward on my head than I usually do. Looks pretty nice like this. Now, I continue. Focus, Monique. Also, at this point out, you get me in a bra, because you know how it is. At least I'm wearing a bra. Okay, ponytail in the back. Needed this hair in the front because Fascinator is on a headband, and I don't want that to show. It's going right there. It's going right there. I could just leave the hair down. That would make it much simpler. No. Took that piece of hair, wrapped it back over the band along these lines till it covered the headband, and then I wrapped it around the ponytail. Going to go do that on this side now. Pinned the net back on the hat because it was making me bonkers. Just doing a little tucking and smoothing on this side. Stop a bird in flight. Hairspray. Let's also get, I'll do the same thing on this side once I have this dried. And now I'm going to take the ponytail and I'm literally just going to roll it up on itself and pin it in a loose sort of updo theory. Okay, here's how the hair looks in the back. And a little more lips. Gosh, that tickles. That's gonna take some getting used to. I'm gonna get dressed and I will see you on the red carpet for Extremity